Hey there, my name is Matt. I run an agency called Peak Digital Studio here in Truckee, California. And we do websites and design for mostly local clients here in the Truckee Tahoe area. We had the same problem over and over again when delivering a website project to clients, which is that we do all the design work in Figma, then we'd be delivering the project in Webflow, and there's always those final design or development needs that the client needs. And so it was a back and forth through many Google Docs, Slack messages, emails, and all the feedback, all the information was spread across all these different tools. And so we started working on MarkDrop to address that issue and make that last kind of mile delivery of a website much more simpler by allowing the clients to put the feedback and the required changes in the context where they exist on the actual website itself. It's super easy to get set up. Here's how it works.
Getting started on getting feedback from clients is super easy. So this is your MarkDrop dashboard, and when you want to get feedback on a new website, you just simply drop the URL in. So I'll drop this URL for the staging site of the Truckee Chamber of Commerce website that we recently completed, and then just click this drop feedback button. That creates a new project. What you can do here is you can share this with the client, just enter their email address in or copy the link and send it to them. And they get taken basically to this exact screen that you see in here. So I'll go through it and act as if I'm the client now. So say we want to change the copy on this button. We can just write change copy, hit enter, and there you go. And you can keep scrolling down the page like you would with any other website and keep dropping these comments in. If you want to go to different pages, you go into browse mode and say, let's go to the what we do page, and then go back into comment mode and keep dropping comments there. Once you're done with the review, if you hit that finish review button, so for the client, they'll just be able to say all done, and that way you know that the client has finished their feedback. For you as an admin, you'll be able to see all the comments. So as you can see, I dropped this comment here called change copy. I can add a reply. I can also mark it as complete. So then you'll see that comment is resolved. So for the client, they're able to see in real time you making those changes, addressing those comments, and then coming back in and reviewing them.
So that's MarkDrop. Nice and simple, easy to get started, easy for the client to use most importantly, and it's going to make delivering websites for you much more simple, much quicker. Check it out, markdrop.app. You get a free trial. Let us know what you think. Thanks.